Masala Toast. Have you tried this breakfast recipe? This is one of the breakfast options that I like experimenting with, and I am surprised with the unique taste every time. Let's look at today's recipe. I wish you do not hesitate to subscribe and encourage me to share many more recipes with you all. Help me spread the word and let me know in the comment section if you have tried other variations to the dish. Let us start making the masala, for which heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. To it add 1 big sized onion chopped, 10 pods of garlic chopped, and nicely fry them. Next add half teaspoon ginger paste. Continue to fry until the onion changes color. Then add 1 medium tomato chopped. Fry until the tomato loses its raw flavor. While we continue to fry, let's add the powdered masala. That is quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and of course salt to taste. You can adjust the chili powder or add chopped green chilies. Stir all of these well until the mixture is nicely done. Now add grated carrot. This will give a good texture to the masala. We do not need to cook for too long now. Finally add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Adjust both to your preference. One quick stir and we are done with the masala. Next we will prepare our bread. Take in 2 slices. Cut it diagonally. Then apply melted butter on one side of each slice. Now in a heated pan, drop the bread slices, butter side down. While we wait to roast on one side, we will apply melted butter on the exposed side. Now turn all of them over. I like it nicely roasted so that there is a slight crunch. If you don't like it crispier, then you can turn it over much earlier. Then add the masala on top immediately so that while one side is getting roasted, the masala settles on top. And this is done. Get everyone ready and serve it immediately. I am going right away. Meanwhile, you can go through the list of ingredients. I will come up with another video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.